Lightning never strikes the same place twice, or does it? This popular belief is completely false. Tall structures like the Empire State Building get struck multiple times a year because lightning follows the path of least resistance. In fact, areas prone to thunderstorms often experience repeated strikes in the same locations. So next time you hear this myth, remember, lightning doesn't play favorites, and it absolutely can strike the same spot more than once. Myth busted! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science Orbit for more fascinating science facts.